Hi, this is Summer Watson. This video will teach you how to update the data source for a financial report. The first question is always, who can do this? Who can actually change the report data source? Well, hooray! The report designers and admins can actually do this. The user first must be provisioned in shared services. The admin will have to provision those that want to be report designers. The admin will already have access to the databases, but the report designer must be given access to the databases within shared services. Also, if the user didn't create the report, he or she must be given access to the report in Explore from Workspace. Why would you ever want to change the data source on a financial report? Your admin may have created a new database, and you need to point the report to the new database. Or you may have created a report against Essbase, but it's actually a planning application and now you want the planning details. Or someone has migrated the report to production for you and you need to update the data source because they may not have the same name in prod and dev. But remember, if the dimensions and members don't match when you change the data source, the report won't work. In order to change the data source, you must first log into Workspace. If you don't have the link to Workspace, contact your Essbase administrator. Once you've logged into Workspace, navigate to the reporting repository by clicking on the Explore button. Some users have the Explore set to their home page, which eliminates that one extra click to the reports. In the Reports repository, or the Explore window, select Tools at the top of the window and then select Change Database Connections. A window will then pop up that lists the folders and reports that you have access to. Navigate to the folder and to the report, select the report, and then click the OK button. The top box represents what the current data source is. The bottom box is where you select Replace it with. If the data source already exists, select it from the drop-down menu and then click OK. If the data source does not exist, select New Database Connection, and a new window will pop up for you to create the new source. You must have access to the database in order to create a new source. Fill in the information with data source name, Essbase server name, your LAN ID, and password. Then select the application and database. Once that is complete, select OK. Now the new connection shows up in the Replace With field. After you select OK on the previous window, a box will pop up saying the database connection is complete. It's almost exciting as fireworks from a Prince Fielder home run. Now, when you run the report from Workspace Reports repository, and if all the dimensions and metadata are the same as what you have on the report, your report will pull the data from the changed data source.